Hey, what's up? So, for those who are new here in this channel, my name is Rotem-Sivan. I'm a guitar player and composer based in New York City, and we're going to talk about how to solo on minor 7 chords. Now, we meet this chord quite often in the context of a 2/5, in the context of a modal tune, or just a cool vamp. So the question is how to get new sounds, new ideas with stuff that you already know. And I'm going to go over 5 tips, 5 important points that you can really nail down pretty easily. So let's do it. I'm creating more content like this every week, so if you're liking what you're seeing, please drop a comment, please like and subscribe to the channel. You can also turn the bell notification to not miss any new videos I'm posting. Thanks. Let's start with strategy number 5. Imaginary chords. I can get more sounds if I use different chord progression on top of D minor. For example, I can use a 2/5, G minor, C7 to lead me basically to D minor. It's also related to the bebop scale, basically using C7, C sharp diminished to D minor. Check it out. Four, pentatonic centers. So I can use D minor pentatonic, A minor, or G minor as an example to get different sounds. D minor pentatonic. A minor pentatonic. G minor pentatonic. Three, scales. So when we have a minor chord, we can also play a mode or a scale. For example, D Dorian, Aeolian, or Phrygian would be pretty good options to play on a D minor chord. Now each one of these will give us different sets of sounds, different tension and release. Check this out. D Dorian. Phrygian. One of the advantages of using modes on the D minor is that we can really use fingering and scale that we already know, right? I mean, D minor is Dorian, but it's also basically a part of C major because D minor Dorian is the same note as C major. The same way that D Aeolian, D natural minor, is basically the 6th degree of F major. So if you know the fingerings for F major, you also know D Aeolian. And Phrygian is basically B flat. Again, I'm not thinking about it as B flat or F or C. I am thinking about it as a center of D, but I'm also aware that the notes are the same. 2. Treat D as a center and don't worry about the 7th. Just listen to the colors, the tension and release within the D tonality. So check it out. I'm just listening to the tension and release. It could be anything. Flat 9. So the idea, what I'm trying to do is just listening to the center and imagining the sound at each note. This exercise is really, really great singing without the instrument as well. Just having an anchor point, a D. And of course, you can go more chromatic, more bebop, more pentatonic. The idea is really learning each note and understanding all the sound colors around the center. So each note has its own quality in relationship to that center. 1. Arpeggios, triads and 7 chords from the 6th string and the 5th string. Make sure you can articulate the chord itself. 6th string, 5th string, the same with 7 chords from the 6th string and the 5th string. From the 5th string, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was interesting, and remember, you can totally mix these ideas and find your own sounds and colors using different pentatonic, different sounds, different scales. It's all for exploration.